A literature review is a critical analysis of published sources that provides an overview of the research conducted in a particular field. It helps to identify and evaluate the strengths and weaknesses of the previous research, offering insights into gaps or contradictions in existing studies. Here are some steps on how to write a literature review in a research paper. Define your topic. Identify the research question or thesis statement as it will guide you in selecting relevant literature. Conduct a comprehensive search for literature. Utilize online databases, such as Google Scholar, JSTOR, Medline, PsycInfo, and other academic websites containing related publications. Evaluate the quality of your sources. Appraise the author's credentials, research methods, objectivity, reliability and currency before deciding whether to include them in your review. Organize your sources. Compile your research findings by listing title, year, author's name, methodology used, variables, sample size, results and alternative views. Analyze and synthesize the literature. Compare and contrast the articles you have gathered and examine their impact on your research question. Focus on the relationship between the articles rather than summarizing each article individually. Develop themes. Categorize the various ideas and arguments found among your sources, identifying areas requiring more attention and emerging trends. Draft your literature review. Write an introduction explaining your aims, outlining the key theories and concepts under review and providing background information. Then group your sources according to theme, synthesizing and expanding on significant contributions that relate to specific sub-themes. Finally, conclude by discussing the implications of your findings for future studies, highlighting any limitations or weaknesses identified in the reviewed work and proposing recommendations for further investigation. Edit and proofread. Ensure that the review follows strict guidelines required by the university or journal, paying particular attention to citation norms, formatting, grammar and referencing. Revise. Set aside your review for a few days to allow yourself to have some time before revising. Look through your work again as you edit and take note of any other errors or sections that need further elaboration. In conclusion, writing a literature review in research papers is one of the most critical parts of any academic study. It allows a researcher to build on previous knowledge while engaging with diverse points of view to develop an informed perspective on their research question. By following these guidelines, a comprehensive, well-written literature review can add significant value to your research paper.